Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. Today I will be teaching you guys that song that goes like head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes. But we will be learning it in Setswana. I hope you're gonna have fun because I am ready to have fun. And the Setswana version song, it sounds totally different, and the body parts are mentioned in a different kind of rhythm. So follow me. Thogo Mageta, Nko le Molomo, Sehuba, letheka, Mangole le menwana. Did you get that? All right, let's do it again. Thogo Mageta, Nko le Molomo, Sehuba, letheka, Mangole le menwana. Well, that's it for head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Thogo means head, Nko, nose, Molomo, mouth, Sehuba, chest, shoulders, Mageta. Mangole means knees. I know you cannot see my knees. There we go. That's a knee. And then toes, we call them menwana. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys on the next lesson. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Bye.